Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to take your data from Excel and bring it into Power BI so you can create beautiful, interactive charts in just a few quick steps. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to import your Excel sheets and start visualizing your information with Power BI. Whether you're creating a dashboard for work, for a school project, or just want to see your numbers in a whole new way, this walkthrough will get you up and running with confidence. So let's dive right in. First, open up Power BI on your computer. If you haven't used it before, don't worry. The interface is quite user-friendly, and I'll walk you through everything you need to know. Once Power BI is open, make sure you're on the Home tab. You'll see this right at the top. The Home tab is like your command center. Almost everything starts here, kind of like the front porch of Power BI. Now we're ready to bring in our data from Excel. Look for the Get Data button up at the top left. It usually stands out in the ribbon. Go ahead and click on that. A window will pop up showing you different sources you can use. From here, select Excel Workbook. If you're visualizing a spreadsheet you've made, this is the option you want. Once you click it, you'll be prompted to navigate to your computer and pick the Excel file you want to work with, just like opening an attachment in an email. Take your time to find the right file and double-click it. Next, Power BI will show you a preview of the data inside your Excel file. This is a really important step because it lets you double-check that you're importing the right table or sheet. You might see multiple sheets if your Excel file has more than one. Just tick the boxes next to the ones you want to use. When you're ready, hit the Load button. This part might take a few moments, especially if your Excel file is a bit large, so don't worry if it's not instant. When it's finished, your data is ready to use and will appear in the Data panel on the right side of Power BI. This Data panel is like your workspace toolbox. It holds everything you might want to use in your visuals. With your data loaded, let's move on to the fun part, creating your first chart. On the left side of your Power BI window, you'll see different options for visuals like bar charts, pie charts, and more. Think of these as templates ready for your data. Click on the one that fits your needs, maybe a column chart if you're comparing numbers or a pie chart to show parts of a whole. Once you've selected a chart type, it will pop onto the main area of your screen, waiting for you to feed it some data. To actually bring your data into the chart, just drag the fields from the Data panel like sales, month, or drop them into the appropriate boxes under your chart, values, or axis. If you're unsure which box to use, just try it out. Power BI is great for experimentation and nothing breaks if you make a mistake. This step really brings your chart to life, turning raw numbers into a clear visual story. Now for some finishing touches. You can jazz up your charts by adding designs or making tweaks so they fit your style or your company's branding. Simply click on your chart to select it, then look over to the Visualizations pane. Here you'll find tabs like Visual or General. These tabs let you adjust colors, labels, titles, and even more. Feel free to play around. These settings are all about making your chart easy to read and as attractive as you'd like. And that's it. You've just learned how to import data from Excel into Power BI, create a chart, and make it your own with some basic design tweaks. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you've got any questions or run into a snag, drop a comment below. I'm always here to help you out. Don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and happy charting.